Chaparral Motorsports carries the full line of Emig Pro V2 lock-on grips from ODI. Take a look at that production process starting now.
So, what do you think, Ricky? You ready to see the Emig Pro finally?
I'm ready.
It's been a little while. We've been talking about it for a while.
I mean, it looks good from the packaging.
The deluxe box. All right, so here it is. So here's the original Emig. You've been running for a few years, right?
Yeah.
The next evolution.
Which was setting the standard.
Yeah.
Good design.
Well, here it is. Check it out.
It's awesome. Design is good. This is the next level. Man, the feel of it's really good.
Well, and what I did is I took in.
Looks good.
This is actually original artwork. If you haven't noticed, I did not hire a professional for this. But I wanted to, point out some of the things that we worked on with the initial concept, and then as it evolved, and now finally into a production. But I wanted to get away from the waffle pattern, and so I wanted to create these ribs. And so not only with the ribs for the rotational traction, right? If you're trying to pull back on the grip, so it gives you glove traction. But then also gives you lateral traction, so when your hand wants to like slide off the end of the grip or something, right? Also with the ribs is we end up going with a little bit of what's called an undercut, so it's not flat, so that if the rib flexes a little bit, it still has a nice edge to it. The original Emig grip was the same diameter all the way across, which is about 1 millimeter thicker than like your average Half Waffle grip. So I wanted to kind of split the difference, and so what I wanted to do was I added a millimeter total convex curve, and it's actually built into the height of the knurling, so of the diamond pattern. It fills the convex part of your hand a little bit, right? And then with the raised icon in the middle, it adds a lot more cushion too, and you can actually feel it when you squeeze it. You can feel that middle part right in your palm. So there's an insert here, a metal insert, and then a plastic end cap, and it actually adds some durability to it too. Yeah. A guy like you that falls down all the time, right? So you're constantly damaging the end of your grip.
Yeah.
It's going to make it a little more durable. That little metal end cap will actually fit over the end of the bar. It's not just like a washer that's up against the end. It actually wraps over the end, protects the bar, and so you're not going to get the end of the grip like crushing through or popping through. So it adds a lot of durability to the end.
When did you start this concept?
It's been a couple years. We did a lot of refinements on this grip. We changed a lot of things. I wanted to make the branding of it much more subtle, with just like the tonal icon on top and then a little tonal icon here, just really subtle, and still going to have just a fantastic look. Some people just weren't fans of me having my name on here, not seeing it as what it is as a brand. And to me, it's the Emig branded grip, right? And then some customers just wanted a little bit softer compound.
I thought that, based on all my complaining for the little bit of riding that I do, that he made him softer for me, but apparently that wasn't. It is a really good grip. I'm not just saying that because he's one of my best friends, but the attention to detail, the performance level of the grip is something that I'm excited about.
Now that you know just what goes into the Emig Pro ODI V2 lock-on grips, stop by chatmoto.com to purchase yours today, or purchase them in person at Chaparral Motorsports in San Bernardino.